Okay guys, I had to stop recording. Hit the wrong button. Jesus. I don't know if I got that or not. Whoa. Guys. Fuck. Listen to the growl, guys. I'm probably a little too close, man. I don't... Shit. My fucking heart is in my throat. Fuck, man. Let me know if you guys see anything moving at all. I don't see nothing. But I hear something. Fuck, man. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky, guys. I'm looking off in the distance, too. Because there's definitely something back there. Fuck. I didn't bring my tripod or nothing because I was hoping to... I was just worried about catching these sounds. Fuck. Hell no. Guys, what the fuck is this? Right there. What the fuck? Guys, let me know in the comments if you see anything fucking weird. I lost it, whatever the fuck it was. Oh my god, I hope I'm getting this on film. My heart is in my chest, guys, so I apologize for the language. There it is, whatever the hell that thing is there. I keep seeing right there. I don't know what the fuck that is. I hope I'm getting this on film, man. is in my throat right now. I keep seeing stuff up in distance. It looks like it moves, but if y'all see anything, let me know. I want to know what the fuck that sound's coming from. It sounds like a fucking snarling sound, man. I apologize for the shakiness. I ain't got my tripod. Guys. Fucking scared to move. What the fuck is that? There. There's two of them. I hope I'm getting these deep guttural fucking sounds on fucking camera. Guys, I'm probably fixing to back up soon. Fucking hey. What the fuck, man? Guys, I hope I'm getting these fucking sounds on fucking camera. My heart is in my fucking chest, man. So I'm gonna go back and look at the footage. Fuck. Shit, man. There's something moving over here, guys. That's where I'm hearing these sounds. I hope to God I'm getting this on video. It's not loud, it's just like a gurgling sound. Fuck, man. I'm so fucking scared right now, guys. I ain't even gonna lie. This is... I don't even know what to say. Can't even get my fucking words out. Keep jumping. Alright, I'm gonna backtrack, guys. I'm gonna try to go around at another angle, a better angle. Let me know if you guys seen anything, because I really wasn't paying attention. It looked like I seen movement. Let me know in the comments, timestamp, where you seen it at, and where at. Love you guys. I'm out.